Okay, this is the revised gear drive prototype. I made some modifications to the cam gear for some clearance issues and stack up issues. I changed the length of the idler shafts. They were too long and they had the idler gear sitting too far from the block face. And I increased the tooth thickness on the secondary idler to limit the amount of backlash, I guess, so that there's not so much slop in reverse directions. And here we go. Oops. Okay. I didn't really show this before, but there was a lot of slop before, and I've gotten rid of most of it. There needs to be a little bit of backlash. And I went too far there. Okay, I was looking at my dial indicator there to get to the 6,000ths protrusion that are built into this, and we hit it. Anyhow,